is a very common Igbo string instrument, which is also a very nice one to listen to, because it's got a very soft tone. And the concept of this kind of string instrument is quite common all over Africa. In different places they are called different names. For instance, in Zimbabwe they have a particular type there which is called the mbira, and also in the Congo Basin they have another type called likembe, and in Tanzania and the surrounding they have the ones they call the kalimba. But we are talking about oboe this time. It's something like this. Well, this is not the complete instrument. This is just the a part of it. The wooden part. With the metal strings. Over here, and this used to have a calabash. For the resonance here, but my kids got them broken, so I realized they can still make good sounds, that notwithstanding. So let's see what it sounds like. Yeah. Okay, now I try to play something with it, something, or make some sound, if I may say so. Okay, here we go. Sound of the oboe, or what is generally referred to as the thumb piano. Thank you for listening. See you some other time.